Alright guys, we got this pretty sweet Maserati behind us. This guy lives right near me. Pretty sweet convertible. Slingshot. Yo, what is it with me and these twin G37s I'm always seeing? That's literally my twin in front of me, y'all. Alright guys, so we're pulling up to the DMV right now. We're about to run this G through, get it inspected, because my tag's almost up. So, cross my fingers we pass this shit, guys. No check engine, so. This dickhead choking on Nick, bro. This Nick Fiend had Nick.
You know,
Nick Fiend trying to get in my car.
We got a little something in the bag. Little something.
Little Friday night.
Mm-hmm.
We out here, so.
I'm about to pour this shit out. I'm about to take my quick flicky, man.
Fat ass, yeah. Alright, yo. So, we getting it in tonight. We chilling with CB on the dock. And we got a little bit of. We got some Crown Peach here, y'all. We better mix it with some Coke and have a little chill night. He's got a. Hold on, where that vanilla wood at? It's in your ear?
Yeah.
Show him that vanilla wood.
Oh, shit, bro.
Guys, so last time C got me Mickey D's, me and him Mickey D's. So I'm buying dinner tonight. We're about to get some pizza. Cheers, C.
This is midnight dinner, C.
Hell yeah.
Cheers, C.
What you got, C?
You got the fucking pizza, C.
Damn, we really living out here, bro.
Grotto, C. Fucking midnight shit, C.
Man, we balling. Yo, what'd you just say, dog? Alright, Tweaks. So we're filling up the G right now. And you guys, lately, I gotta be honest, I've been thinking about selling this thing. So if you guys are interested, hit me on Instagram. It's literally the same ad. It just doesn't have an E in it. So, and it's in the description of the channel. Putting that good in there. Just got out of PF. Actually just took this car through inspection, guys, and it failed for a couple of things. It failed for bad front tires because there's cord showing. It failed for tint over the third brake light. And that's the last thing I failed for, guys. No light on the plate because it got messed up. I'll tell you the story later. Basically just the housing for the light, for the plate. It got rusted out and got messed up, you guys. So I had to just take the lights off, and that's why I failed for that. So honestly, you guys, I love the hell out of this G, and I really don't want to sell it, like, in my heart, but just kind of need some bread right now, and I'm sure someone else would love it just like me. All right, guys, so we got some good old oil right there, and we got the filter right over there. So, guys, this thing I would say, I usually like to change it. Usually like to change oil in this thing every 3,000 miles, you guys. So I want to get the change done soon. Someone just took my jack, so I don't have a jack right now, unfortunately. Yeah, you guys, I'd like to get the change on this thing done soon, and we'll see what happens as far as selling this thing. I really don't want to let it go, but sometimes in life you just have to do what you have to do. All right, you guys, so we're headed to Ski right now. Y'all have seen Ski before. He's got the Camaro SS. He used to have the V6. So, shout out you, bro. We're about to pull up and get this oil change done. Like, some retard just stole my jack, and they just won't come out about it. So, I'll just get a new one, guys. But, you know, this is what real brothers do. They got you when you need it. So, back this oil change done, y'all. BRZ, y'all, on a 435R. That shit looking cleaned up with the wheel. Shit's looking clean. He just said he did the injectors in this shit. What'd you put in it? What injectors you put in it? Okay. And he said he's about to get this LSX intake for it. So y'all know what that is. Y'all can already tell.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. This is the 1000.
Oh, for real?
The old bike. Old bike. I got fired.
This guy's messing with it.
Yo, I had
This bitch twerk a little different. Y'all, I'm used to the V6 stuff. Pop. He's got the slap shift down, y'all. This ain't no manual, but he's twerking. I know you loving it, bro. What you doing? What you about to get into? Just hit that little black button. There you go. So y'all, I let a lot of people drive this shit. We got a new member. That's neutral. Clutch all the way in, all the way in. Yeah. Yeah, he's making the G twerk, y'all. But, you know, I'm kind of giving him some lessons on the fly. But, I'm not gonna lie, it looks like he's a little better than Seed and Chad. He knows how to drive it. Alright. So, guys, I didn't get on video, but
That shit out.
started 2 times, but it's alright. Because first time the e-brake was up. Now, we're just like here. What do you want to go?
Push it down and
Alright, so wait, go to neutral, push it down. Like, alright, y'all, so he didn't do too bad, as you can see. Like, as y'all know, when you drive manual every day, you just get pretty flawless at it. But, yeah, we got the oil right here, the filter. So we about to get this in.
gonna go to oil change.
You know, we getting it in. This joint looks a little too small, but in the meantime, y'all, we're gonna take off the drain bolt for y'all. You know. Safe. What do you call it?
I already started it. Doing an oil change.
It's alright, bro. You know, we out here just tweaking and shit, man. Alright, make sure it's empty. Is that bitch going?
It's about to come out.
Maybe actually I need a 14, it looks like. Yeah. Alright, y'all, so we got the filter on. You can see it right here. We did that with the straps because that's all we had right here. Right now we're about to remove this drain bolt. So you gotta be fast with it. I was a little too slow, y'all, and I got
Ain't
fucked.
bad.
Ain't too bad.
Some motherfuckers be having another one. Hold on.
There's some nice chocolate going. Yes, sir. And just let that drain.
I like this camera too. It's hard.
Alright, y'all, so we're putting the oil in now. The drain bolt's on, filter's on. Got that mess done. Now it's the easy part. Fill it up. Right? And then we gotta dispose of the dirty oil back into this can. And then that's a wrap, because as you can see, she's already let down. She's not jacked up no more. Birds tweaking and shit. Siphoning down a little bit. Alright, that's probably good. That's good. Fucking tweaker bird, yeah. You in my garage, yo. Flying and shit.